Wait, what's that? Hey!
Hey, Silas! What do we have today, Silas?
Treasure hunting.
Yes, we have the Treasure X Monster Gold.
No, it's a treasure hunt.
Yeah, it's kind of like a treasure hunt. You gotta see what's inside, right? We have to follow the levels of adventures. You have to follow all of these to be able to really fully complete the treasure unboxing here. So let's check it out. Treasure X Monster Gold. Awaken the monster. It jumps to life. Really cool. And Silas gonna open it.
And the werewolf.
And it might be a werewolf. You might potentially get a werewolf. Let's see which character we are gonna get.
I want that werewolf sauce. I know sister. Wait, then I want to. Wait.
Alright, is that the instruction?
Dad, this.
We have the instruction. And this will let you know how many characters you can potentially get
Put it right here
from this collection. So as you can see, there's 6 total that you can get, and you can actually build your own once you have them all collected. So it's really cool. These toys are amazing. Perfect for Halloween, for October.
Whoa.
So this looks like a coffin. Look at that design. Doesn't it look cool, everyone? It has a little tool, that red tool. You can help kind of pry open the... Yeah, there you go. Now it's open. All right. Whoa. What does it come with?
Wait, this is a spider web too.
Yep, spider web, some magic potion or powder.
This needs water.
Yeah, I think we need to pour water. So what you do, we have a cup of water. You gotta put the magic powder in here. All right, so here, pour the magic powder. You wanna pour the blue one, and I'll pour the yellow one. How about that?
No, I will. That would you try.
Okay. So you mix in the magical potion. Oh, look at it, it's fizzing.
Ooh.
Yeah, pour all in there.
It's turning blue. Where is it?
Okay. And what do we have here? We have a purple packet. I'm gonna open it. I think there might be some spiders in here.
Let's do it.
And then yeah, so you can pour it in here. That's the step. So if you follow the instruction on the cardboard box, this is the step. And let's see what can arise from this treasure hunt here. From this coffin. Go get more water, hold on.
Yeah. No, my dad needs more water. A lot, Dad. I need a lot.
Now we got more water. So I was gonna pour it into the coffin here and see what we will get from this treasure. Oh my god, it's coming to life! Oh my god, what is that?
It's a dino!
Oh, look at this guy. We actually got one of the glow-in-the-dark version ones. So this is the one we have here is a glow-in-the-dark. And this one is called Count Goldula. Goldula. Okay, this guy right here. Wow. Good job, Silas. This guy glows in the dark. And we have Awaken Goldula.
Let's make him.
Yeah, so the one Silas previously had, this one's Blingula.
Let's make them.
He can basically mix the parts together if you like. Okay? So we awaken Goldula.
Dude.
And his... What is this?
It's hard.
No, his brain. This is his brain.
Just like the same. Just like the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay, that's why I do this spider web. That's the reason they just know why. What? Gotta see something. There you something blue. It's an eyeball. It's blue eyeball.
Oh yeah, he needs eyeballs.
It's a blue eyeball.
Right.
Ew, look at this.
Look at this guy. Little Spidey. So now Sal has 2 characters for his collection. This is the Goldula and the Blingula. So they're a vampire, skeletal, bat looking character. Looks so cool for Halloween in October. So we gonna give him his eyeball so that way he can see. Yeah, right?
Bro, I can see now. Bro, he's mine.
And this one glows in the dark actually. Hold him right there. He's gonna glow in the dark. Turn off the light. Whoa, he glows in the dark. Whoa, he glows in the dark, everyone.
This one, this door is in dark.
Yeah, this is Godzilla, so this is a special one. He glows in the dark.
But this time, this door is in the dark. Okay, turn the light on.
Okay, turning on the light back on.
That is a zombie.
Yeah, it's like a zombie, vampire, werewolf, bat mixed character. So
It's
really
got
cool.
wings too. It's got wings too.
Yep, they have wings too, like the other one.
Just mix them. They change their legs.
So we're mixing the toys. They're gonna have different
That
parts
can help me.
of the body.
That can help me.
Yeah, that can help you.
And the head.
This guy had mixed body parts
And
with his buddy Blingula.
that to his wings.
And they can move their mouth too. Boy, my name is Godzilla. Ha 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 ha. I'm pretty cool. You like my sunglasses? Thank you.
But they help me.
Okay, you want to help in this one? Put this arm to this guy, to Blingula. Now Blingula's arm glows in the dark. There you go, Silas. Now you can play with both of them.
I turn on the lights.
Alright, turning off the lights.
Wait, they're both doing it.
Yeah, they're both glowing in the dark now. Let's turn the light back on.
Wait, not yet, not yet. We have to stare. People, turn on the light.
Whoa, they're right there. Alright, so Silas, what did you think of these toys?
Good.
They're cool? Would you want to share with other kids?
Huh? Hey everyone, thanks for watching our video. Watch Treasure Hunt.
Thank you, and we will see you guys soon.